Hi and welcome to this new video. I am Omar and this video is about the new feature of my Wizy GPTs bot in Discord. So let's open Discord. Here it is. Here is our nice bot Wizy GPTs. Our new feature that we implemented is about ChatGPT inside Discord, how to use it freely. There's some nice things and that we added also. So today we're gonna try it. Previously I wasn't able to use ChatGPT because it wasn't allowed to be used in my country, Egypt. It now is allowed. Before ChatGPT I was using Bard, but actually Bard API isn't that official and isn't stable at all. ChatGPT is more stable. Though the ability to use Bard is still there, but anyway it will be down most of the time. So we wanna try our new ChatGPT feature. But before that, if you wanna invite him, what you do? I will leave the links for the server invite if you wanna join our server and see some exclusive bot feature. And also you can see the tutorial of how to use him. It's very simple, 3 steps to use ChatGPT. I will leave the link for the readme of my GitHub. Also the code is open source for now, so maybe don't waste your time. Go check the code before maybe it becomes who knows, as I said, the links will be in the description box. The server invite link, the bot invite, and the GitHub readme. Let's go back to the Discord. So as I said, in this video I'm gonna try with you guys the new ChatGPT feature added to our GPTs wizard bot. So let's try them one by one. The first one is very simple, very straightforward. You can just use ChatGPT via a comment. So you can use Wizy GPT and simply write your question. You can also use a shortcut comment, which is Wizy, then write any question you wanna ask him. Also you can mention him and write any question. Okay, so maybe let's try with greeting him. Wizy GPT. Let's maybe ask him, how are you today? Oops. Okay. Let's wait. He's greeting us with random wizard thing. Then he actually answers our greeting question with another greeting. So if you noticed, he greets us. Why is that? That is because I have implemented a history for each user. So this is the start of my chat history with the bot. He actually can remember up to 20 messages for now. Then he resets and restarts just without you know. And this history is separated actually for each user. So if any user just ask him any question, he will have his own new history. So to save the context of your chat with the bot, and we will verify this that he remembers, hopefully, our context and our questions. So let's ask him now maybe a little specific question. Let me maybe our first and prime numbers. Since it's not the first or the beginning of the history, he just searching, not greeting us. He just greets at the first of the chat history, and whenever maybe he resets. So he actually, I think he got it right. He answered about the first 10 prime numbers. Let's now verify whether he remembers that we asked him about prime numbers. So maybe we can mention him this time. I'm just presenting the different ways you can ask him and that he remembers the history. So let's say wizard Gyptios, do you, or let's say maybe what was my last prompt to you, Wizy? Okay, so let's hope he remembers. Not okay, let's read. He also speaks in a wizardy way, if I can say. Maybe later I will add on the normal way to speak, but I think it's a nice thing. Adds a little bit of character. So actually he remembers. We asked him to list the first 10 prime numbers. He remembers that. Nice. There's another thing that he actually understands Arabic. So maybe we can say كيف حالك. Okay. Okay, he responded a little while, I don't know why, but he responded in Arabic. Assalamu alaikum. Actually, he has some context and awareness of where he is. He is in Discord. Also, I think he knows that he is in my Narrow's Island, and maybe if you added him to your server, he will know that he is in your server. Actually, this is the main feature only now, that you can ask him via comment in any channel that he can respond and type in it. The second feature, also using ChatGPT, is our special chat channel just for the wizards, just for Wizy. It's actually currently only available in our server, although you are free to join anytime and test it whenever he is active. The channel simply is the place to talk with him without the need to use the comment each time you want to ask him. And also, he saves a history of this special channel and knows the context that you are speaking in it. And actually also this history is separated from the comment history. So when you use a comment, like Wizy GPT, this comment has separate history than this special channel, and you just in this channel can type directly, like you are speaking to your friend or a user in a direct message or a private message. Also, I think I said that each user has a separate history. So let's try to talk with him, but not in this. I have a copy of the special channel to test. So let's ask him directly without any comment. Maybe we can test that these two histories are separated. So we can ask him, does he remember my last question? We didn't ask him anything yet in the special channel, so we will verify that he doesn't know the history of the comments. So if you remember, I think I typed correctly, no typos, I think. Okay. Okay. Well, okay, he responded. All right. It took a little while to respond. So I possess vast knowledge and power to aid you. However, my memory extends to this. So apparently he doesn't know. He doesn't know the context of the other history. So this channel has its own history. and each user in this channel has his own history and can speak with him. I think that's it for our new feature in my Discord bot. So anyway, feel free to join my server. This is you can use the help comment to see some help about the bots and tutorials, and also you can view the full menu of the /comments. Also you can use him for voice comments and many other things. That's it. See you in the next video, and thank you.